Yes, Venkatesh, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, very much. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Excellent. You have come in front of the camera also. Good, good, good.
Thank
Uh,
you.
Friends, this is Venkatesh Nagarajan who has just finished uh, or finishing rather. Okay, the latest version of APQP PPAP and Control Plan program. Okay, a recorded video based program. Okay. So he has raised many questions. This is briefly about his background. Venkatesh, you may just say hello and then introduce yourself to us.
Hello, everyone. So, myself, Venkatesh. So, I'm a mechanical engineer and having experience of 7 years as a supplier quality and quality engineer. So, I have brief experience in PPAP. I'm also having some knowledge in APQP, Lean Six Sigma. And right now, I'm working as a senior quality engineer in RGBSA.
That's in Bangalore, right?
Yeah, it's in Bangalore.
Good, good. What are all your current responsibilities, Venkatesh?
So, I'm working with suppliers in North America and
Oh,
Canada.
oh,
And we have to complete the PPAP activities for
okay,
them. It will include initial PPAPs as well as sustainability PPAPs,
oh,
yearly validation.
okay.
So we will be handling supplier issues, AT, kappa, everything, and audits will be processed through hybrid mode. So these are my current responsibility. Also includes like supplier ramp up program, process audit for
Super.
India-based suppliers.
Okay. So how many suppliers you are dealing with currently?
So
Will
right
be
now we
dealing.
have five people in a SQA team. We are handling a profile of 450 plus suppliers.
Wow. Amazing number.
Yeah.
So you are dealing with 450 plus suppliers in different parts of the world.
Yes, yes,
Very interesting. Good. Venkatesh, you are now taking this program, a YouTube-based recorded video course, right?
yeah, sir. Yeah.
So initially, the first time itself, you're given a feedback like this. I mean, just in few words, how are you finding this course?
So it was a quite big background. Like I was a part of a company which had like we are doing some lean related projects like overall equipment effectiveness. So Manivannan sir is the trainer for my consultant. So I came to that and then like we have sent an inquiry to him and then I joined the course. Like I had also like an experience of watching his free version of YouTube videos were there. So
Okay.
in that, I came to know like it's a different approach of teaching, and I was very willing to join. Then I took it. Now I'm feeling a way better in my knowledge and level of understanding about APQ.
But you took 1 year to get convinced, right?
Yes, sir.
Generally, people don't believe the recorded video mode at all. Okay, but
Yeah,
ours
sir. Yeah,
is will be entirely different. Okay,
yeah. You will be part of the classroom inside. It will
yeah.
not be like a recorded system.
Thank you. Venkatesh, you raised two questions. I mean,
Yes, sir.
uh, can you just read?
So one is from change management, and the scenario is like if I'm working in a marketing team, so if I'm from a marketing team and initiating an engineering change, the input is taken from the market. So market demand, like who is responsible, how we plot the RASIC chart for this.
Okay, okay. RASIC, is a new method. In APQP second edition, 2024, they added. Okay, it was not there earlier. Okay.
Okay.
Oh my God. Third edition.
Third.
Apologies. Apologies. Third edition. Okay. So, responsible, I read the responsibility means for the process. Okay.
Okay.
Accountability is for the results from the process. These are our learning in TKM. Okay. So, supportive, you have mentioned as CFT, that looks okay as such. Okay. Consult, inform. Okay. Venkatesh, let's just, help our learners to understand this question. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, uh, Scenario one. Okay. Okay. I took scenario one and two. One is that you are working in marketing. You are in marketing function, right?
Mhm. Yes.
You are getting a need for an engineering change, correct? Me?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So, SIG, then I. Okay. Then comes SIG. Okay, you should interchange.
Yes.
Okay. So, if you are getting an engineering change, that is different. Okay. When you are getting an engineering change, what will be your responsibility?
So process responsibility includes like who is initiating the engineering change.
Yeah. You must give the details, right? Details to the
Yes, sir.
engineering
Yeah.
team.
What is the requirement and what is the
Everything.
feedback?
Everything. Perfect. I agree with you. Okay. So responsibility is marketing. Correct?
Yes, sir.
That is you.
My
Who is accountable for this
my
activity?
my boss should be accountable.
Excellent. Excellent. So this is fine. Whereas this is now you yourself is changing. Okay.
Yes.
So that is Mr. X, who is marketing head. Marketing head. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Who must support this particular activity?
So we cannot limit that into certain people. Like CFT, as you mentioned, it is fine, but we can also involve some like interested parties or relevant people who
Okay,
will
okay,
get
okay, okay.
affected
You are
in a
using
way.
the right term, interested parties, or only supporting. Okay.
Yes.
To whom you must inform for this?
So whomever we are causing an issue or whomever may cause us an issue, so that person or that group should be informed.
Okay. You now the scenario is you are in marketing, you are raising an engineering change.
Yes.
Okay, you must inform engineering. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Agree.
Your engineering team is sitting in India or abroad?
In India, Pune itself.
Pune itself. Fine, fine. You are supporting them from Bangalore. Who must be consulted on this in
So
this particular?
whomever having a good knowledge in this area can be consulted.
Okay, maybe a
Yes.
consultant, or nobody for this activity.
Okay.
No need. You need not consult anybody because you are now raising an engineering change. That's all.
Sure.
Okay. Supposing you are having a good rapport with your engineering,
Hmm.
you may ask that engineering person himself. You can consult him before
Okay.
raising this or while raising this.
Sure.
Any doubts or on this? First scenario.
So yeah,
Okay.
it is clear, sir.
Second scenario, now an engineering change. Engineering change. Okay. This engineering change, for this engineering change to happen, who is responsible? Obviously, your engineering department.
Okay.
Okay, maybe Mr. X, some person. Accountable?
His boss only, sir.
Excellent. Engineering head is accountable. Okay. Who must support them?
Like their team and all the other parties as
Maybe the reliability team. Okay. Now we are talking about what? Supportive function.
supporting.
Okay. Maybe the IT also.
Okay.
Here also IT may play a role. Here also IT may play a role. Okay. Then who must be informed for the design change?
Supplier, customer, and internal team.
Okay. 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 By sure, you are to be informed through you, all your suppliers concerned. All your suppliers concerned. Okay, not all the suppliers, because suppliers concerned. Whoever is making that particular part, maybe one or two or three, whoever it is. Okay.
Sure.
Who must be consulted by the engineering? Kindly understand. When you talk about consulting somebody, it should come under the responsibility or accountability area.
Okay.
Need not be. Need
Okay.
not be. I am not saying should not be, but need not be.
If possibility is there, we can consult,
Yeah, if there is a
or it is
need, you
not
can
there.
consider. Yeah.
Sure.
Need.
Yeah.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
This is part of, I'm just, going to question you. In which phase it is coming in APQP new version? Phase? 1, 2, 3, 4,
What?
6, what? One
No,
itself.
one, sir.
One.
Like we after like in the timing plan, when we list all the tasks and activities, we will
Perfect.
define everything.
Plan and define is talking about change management also.
Yes.
Okay. It's talking about change management. It's not talking about design change. We are now concerned about the change management.
Sure.
Okay. That is RASIC. This is shortly called as RASIC. Your question is answered, Venkatesh?
Sure, sir. Yes, it is.
Let's move to the next one. Yeah. What's your question here?
So the scenario is like some of my suppliers are using family control plan. So as per our workbook, it is like for if the bulk material is there or common manufacturing process which runs in a common line, we can go for family control plans. So I'll read out the question. Like I have some suppliers using family control plan, which the process will be same, like mentioned, stamping, forming, tapping, and plating. This is like a generic sheet metal process.
Okay.
But they are using different machines for forming. So in that case, if family control plan allowed, the different machines are chosen based on the sheet metal thickness.
Yeah.
And the supplier has added a note in the control plan, like if it is applicable, we can use this machine. They are specifying based on the tonnage requirement in matching with the sheet thickness. So my question was like, is this can be accepted or not?
You can. Okay. But in the control plan, okay, the new version, you should mention the machine numbers.
Okay.
When the suppliers are using, for it consists of different parts, right?
Yes.
Correctly?
Like
Different parts? But process is more or less the
different,
same.
yeah, different parts, different
So,
geometries.
how geometry? Fine. How that means there'll be more than one machine, obviously.
Yes, sir. Yes.
They must mention the machine number here, or they can link it with another document also. Is that happening?
No, it was not completely happening. Some were doing and some were not
Okay.
properly following that.
Okay. Then they can refer document. Okay. In this document, all the details of the machines can be given.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. This is one part. Other one, I differentiate now process characteristics and process parameters. What is the difference, Venkatesh? What's your understanding between process characteristics and process parameters?
Process characteristics, I think we can say feed, speed.
Excellent. Speed, temperature.
Temperature.
Parameter means?
Parameter will be the value, sir.
XXX. Okay. Millimeter per minute.
Yes.
XXX.
RPM.
Temperature. XXX.
Degree Celsius.
Centigrade. Okay. When they are using different machines, will the parameters be the same?
No, sir. Parameter tend
Cannot
to
be.
change.
Obviously, cannot be.
Yes.
Can the process characteristics are similar?
Yes, sir. In
The,
some places they are similar. Most of the places it is similar, sir.
the same treatment what they are supposed to follow here can be followed here.
Okay.
Okay. Very important is that the linking system should be not only the reference document, like whatever we mentioned here. Okay. But also let us see the flow. Generally, in phase 3 of APQP, that is process design and development. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the general approach of what should be the general approach of the CFT? First document, design FMEA from phase 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
That should be referred. Any idea what should be the second document from here?
Sir, process flow, sir.
Process flow.
Flow
Perfect.
diagram.
Diagram. Third,
PFEMA, sir. PFME.
excellent. PFMEA. Excellent. Then comes
Control plan, sir.
control plan. Control plan is of different 4 types.
Yeah, different. Yes.
Okay, let's forget about it. From control plan, okay, the sequence down, what should be the next document?
Standard operating procedure, sir. SOP.
SOPs. If they are able to link now the control plan with SOP properly, a family control plan is acceptable.
Okay, sir.
As long as the process characteristics are the same, not parameters.
Okay.
Characteristics are the same.
Sure.
Answered? Any other question?
Yes, sir. Answered. Thank you.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Great, Venkatesh. Thanks for your feedback. Okay. So people think that, the virtual mode is not at all useful and all. No, we strongly deny. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, by the way, when are you going to appear for the final exam?
Sir, in like 3-4 days, I will
3-4
appear.
days. Fine. Sunday can be your target. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So all the best. I'm sure that, okay, worth mentioning in the model examination, you scored 100%. Okay. So
Yeah.
final also?
I will try my level best, sir.
Oh, it is going to be 100%, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Because you have taken, in-depth learning. Okay. Excellent, Venkatesh. Thanks for
Yeah.
connecting.
Thank you,
Let's
sir.
Bye. All the
Bye.
best. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.